Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed and hit the notification icon so that you will know when I'm loading a new video. Today I'm here with another recipe. Today I'm going to make aw sabji. When I was staying at my aunt's place, she used to make this a lot. So today I'm going to make it. This is potato, aloo, I've already peeled it. 1 tomato, green chilies, ginger, garlic, salt and smoked pork. First of all, what we will do, we will cut this and we will wash it in hot water. I'm cutting in small pieces. Actually, my aunt used to cut a big piece for one person. We'll wash it in hot water. We'll keep it like 2 minutes. It's cleaned properly. Now I will add this green chilies. Tomato, ginger, potatoes, hot water I'm using. And of course salt for taste. Let's see how it's cooking. It's been cooking like 15 minutes. Yeah, chilies are cooked. We'll take it out and we'll pound it. chili then. I'll take out the tomato also. Yeah, it's done. I will put it back. Today I'm using this bamboo spoon. I brought it from Nagaland. How many of you have this in your home now? Not in your hometown, I'm saying about those who are staying in cities especially. Pork, it will take some time. We'll cook like 15 more minutes. I'm making rice also. We'll check if the potatoes are cooked or not. It's cooked properly, so we'll pound it. Here I'm not using any bamboo shoot, but if you want or if you have in your house, you can add like 1 tablespoon of bamboo shoot juice, but it's just optional. Yeah, the potatoes are cooked. I'm going to pound it. It's done. Well, I'm not going to put it back because like we need to cook the pork a little bit, so I will not put it back now because the potatoes are it's pounded, so it will burn easily, so I'm not going to put it back. I will wait like 10 minutes. It will take some time. It's cooked properly, so what we'll do, we'll put the potatoes back. Yeah, napa thakile iman matching hobo dekisile to sabji de, but I don't have this napa. Okay, at last what we will do, we will pound this garlic. एकटा garlic cham guriche. It's done. I'll put it back. And my today's recipe is done. I hope I am doing justice to this recipe. My dear our friends and my dear our viewers, please let me know how I've done it. Garma garma rice. Basically, when we are having this recipe, we usually make chutney, but today I'm too lazy to make chutney. And also I'm too hungry, so today I'm not going to make any chutney. Sida dabaiga. Wow, see this. ইমান টেষ্টি আছে দে আৰু নাফা থাকিলে ইমান টেষ্টিও থাকিছে When we are eating, we should not speak, you know. My mom always says, when you are speaking while eating, you will not get the taste of that recipe.